so start up.
Pero ito yung, this is where usually the captain sits.
No, this one.
This one, that one.
Yeah, co-pilot.
Then why did you sit here the last time?
If you're instructor, you're allowed to sit here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Of course. That's
So
good.
set, ano, all off. Idle, fly, yan, max, then idle.
Oh my god, my shoes. God, this is scary. Look at it. Ba't mukhang ang clear? It's so clear.
Ang talaga. Okay, connect. Teka lang, ano? Kamusta ka, ano, Jesus?
Okay ka.
Okay naman, ah. Okay naman, ah. Yung miss mo talaga. Sis, Tito Jesus mo pala. He maintains this helicopter. Yeah.
It smells like an airplane.
Smells like an airport.
I
Oh,
want-
she's still
But my cabin light.
cabin
Do
light.
you
Oh,
touch
yeah.
any of this? Have you ever touched any of this?
Yeah, everything. Hindi
Oh.
to, there's a specific, ano,
Oh, never mind. I thought.
purpose of that, ano.
But is there some things na hindi mo talaga, you never clicked it?
Defogger. This one.
What's that?
Defogger para magano kasi hindi naman malamig dito. This is for the ano cold area lang like snow nagi-snow na place. So you don't have to. You don't need to. Sync check. Okay. No accidents. Then confirm flight plan, weight and balance, and engine page. So 9 message. Then I'm going to check the pedal stop first.
God, that's good. That's good.
Okay. Okay, back to neutral. Then double check. Double check. You can just put your legs here. Like, free deck check. Then fuel quantity 340 pounds. Forward tank is 145 pounds. Ang fuel nito, anak, you don't measure it by liters, 'di ba? Ganun
Yeah.
tayo, 1 liter. You measure this by weight. Kung ilang yung weight. So it will be easier for you to kung gaano ka kabigat, yung how heavy you are. Then auto position, then fuel valve on, check. Master, checking. So these are, you can now put this one, anak. So those are the warning tones.
Hello? Okay,
Yeah,
there. 1, 2, 3.
okay.
Ay,
So 1, 2, 1.
look at that. That looks so funny. Ba't ganun yung itsura niya? Ito ba yung
And good afternoon, domestic. This is helicopter 9186. Correction 88. Affirmative, sir. 88, sir. This time at Republic Hangar. Request startup for ground 1 purposes. Thank you. I'm going back on shutting down. Okay, ready mo yan?
Yeah.
Yan yung controller. Sa ground yon, sa ground. Hindi pa yan yung mga nagpa-fly, sa ground lang. So 5 cast message 2, 4. Baggage door nakabukas. So it's okay. Idle. Check. Clear.
Here.
29 volts.
Why is it
So if I start this one, this is automatic. Siya na mag-i-start mag-isa.
Okay.
I just need to click this start. Tingnan mo. And I won't do anything. I'll just watch this whole fish doing something. So it should be all normal. na tinuruan ba?
Besides that,
Jerry,
besides you there,
kami na.
in the Philippines?
Pero wala silang license. Wala. Pero they have no license. Pwede mo ibang pilot mo.
Yeah, ikaw.
Lagyan natin, gawin natin.
Okay. Oh my god. This is a different type of
Experience.
eavesdropping.
Okay, so this is good. Everything is ano? Set.
Can I remove it now?
Okay.
My earrings. My hair.
Grabe naman itong mga to.